Hi friends, this video shows in screensaver how to use photos from the Google Photos. Go to top right corner, select all settings, go down, set system, select ambient screensaver, go down, set settings. Here you can see channels. So here we have to select Google Photos. Select it, then log into Google account. Here it says no albums found in your Google Photos. So we have to create some albums and upload photos. For that we can use Google Photos mobile app or laptop. Then you can create some albums and upload photos. After that you can come here and set Google Photos. Device will select photos from that Google Photos albums and use it in the screensaver. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.